Everybody, Phil here with DIY Boomboxes in Texas. It's a sound test number 1 on the Mega Boombox, and we're going to crank this thing up and see how it sounds. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. This is video 1. I'm going to do another song with video 2. So here you go. Enjoy.
Warm winds blowing, heat and blue sky, and a road that goes forever. Thinking about it lately, been watching some TV, been looking all around me and what has come to be. Been talking to my neighbor, and he agrees with me. It's all gone crazy. Well, my wife returns from taking my little girl to school. She got beads of perspiration, but she tries to keep her cool. She says, mess, it don't get no better. There's gonna come a day someone's gonna get killed out there. And I turn to her and say, Texas. She says, what? I said, Texas. She says, what? They got big long roads out there. Warm winds blowing, heat and blue sky, and a road that goes forever. I'm going to Texas. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here. Well, I got a little brother, 7 meters high. Yeah, he's built just like a quarterback, and he swears he'll testify. He says he's been in Texas, and that's the only place to be. It stakes because no trouble here, that's the place for me. I'm going to Texas. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm going to Texas. Yeah, yeah. I'm going to Texas. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Yeah, yeah.
Okay, everybody, that was sound test number 1. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. By the way, in case some of you are probably going to ask me, that song is called Texas by an artist named Chris Ree. Song's been out for a while, but it's not real well known. Some people might know it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll have a sound check number 2 up in the next 24 to 36 hours with another song, kind of a different, more harder rock song. So thanks, guys, for watching so much. And please check me out on Facebook. I Love All Things Radio. And look forward to hearing your comments. And thank you for watching the Mega Boombox. And we'll see you next time.